Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, write the numbers. And first read 1 and use red color. O and E1. Kids, again use red color and draw 2. T W 2. Kids, write 3. T H R 3. Kids, write 4. F O U R 4. Kids, write 5 and again use red color. F I V E 5. Kids, write 6. The numbers of 6 and use blue color. Blue color. S I X 6. 7. S E V E N 7. 8. E I G H T 8. Kids, again use blue color and draw 9. N I N E 9. 10. T E N 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.